Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Cloud logging syncs to BigQuery, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Cloud logging syncs to BigQuery, start by accessing the Google Cloud console. Navigate to the logging section in the left-hand menu. Click on Logs Router to view your existing log syncs. Select the option to create a new sync. You will be prompted to enter a name for your sync. Choose a suitable name that reflects the purpose of the sync. Next, select the sync service you want to use, which in this case will be BigQuery. In the sync destination field, specify your BigQuery dataset. Ensure that you have the correct permissions set on your BigQuery dataset. Continue by configuring the log filter if you wish to limit the logs being exported. If no filter is needed, you can leave it as the default. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next configuration step. In the next window, review your sync settings carefully. Adjust any settings if necessary before finalizing the creation of the sync. Once confirmed, click on the Create Sync button. You may need to grant the necessary permissions for the logging service to write to BigQuery. Follow the prompts to provide access as required. After the sync is created, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, navigate to the BigQuery console to verify if logs are being received. Check the specific dataset you targeted for the sync. Inspect the tables in the dataset for your log entries. Ensure that the logs are being populated correctly. If everything is set up properly, you are now receiving Google Cloud logs in BigQuery. For further analysis, you can create queries in BigQuery as needed. This completes the guide on enabling Google Cloud logging syncs to BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.